Hello everyone, I am Matteo Benci and I'm the event manager of QtDay 2020. Welcome here for our remote online event. The COVID pandemic struck hard our society, making it impossible to move and gather together in person as we were all used to do. That's why, like many other events, we choose to run QtDay 2020 remotely. We'll have lots of interesting talks and workshops. All of them will be available live and on demand for the specific ticket holders. Today we start our event with the QtLab workshop. This workshop is a 7-hour session and it's the only session with its specific ticket. As it is since the very beginning of this event, QtDay is organized by Develer, an Italian developer company made of great expertise and a welcoming environment. We have today the Develer CEO, Simone Zinanni. Good morning, Simone. Would you like to say a few more words about Develer?
Hi, everybody. Being here. I want to just add my personal welcome to QtDay. I'm Simone Zinanni. I'm the CEO at Develer. Develer is the company that organizes QtDay and many other technological events like RasLab, GoLab, and we also collaborate in the organization of PyCon Italy. If you're interested in our events, please go to our website, develer.com/events, or scan the QR code here to fax access to the page. We also organize tech labs. These are events for Italians among you. These are events that are held in Italian and typically in Florence, Italy, but now are online for the COVID. So anyway, if you are Italian and you are interested in these events, please visit our website or scan the QR code here for more information. We also want to connect with you if you have a project related to Qt technology. We would like to discuss your project and see if we can help you with the project itself. So if you are interested, please scan the QR code here. You will reach a feedback, a form with which you can connect with us and have a meeting about your project for a technical discussion. At the same time, we organize also courses on different technologies. These courses are held in both Italian and English, as you prefer, and they are about Qt, Qt widgets, Go, the Golang, Python, C++, Yocto, Altium Design, Linux, and Linux Embedded. We also are hiring devs mainly, and so if you are a Qt or QML developer or a Go developer, a full stack developer, a firmware developer, or an embedded Linux developer, please consider joining us in our company. If you are interested, you can, as always, go to our website or scan the QR code here to access the career page on our website. Okay, that's all. Enjoy QtDay and thank you again to be here.
Thank you so much, Simone, and thanks to Develer who gave us the chance to run again this Qt event today. We worked hard for a few months for delivering you the remote version of QtDay 2020, and we really hope you'll appreciate it. If you need help for anything, check the FAQ on our website and feel free to contact us via email or via chat box you find on our website. Our staff agents will always be present during the sessions for help and moderation. Well, time for words is up. Let's start this event and have a cute rest of the day and welcome to QtDay 2020. Bye all.